Okay, welcome back to our program here on Inside Bicol, and my guest for tonight is Engineer Gil Bolao. Uh, he has put up a business here in Bicol regarding the installation of solar energy. Okay, Gil, let's talk. I think the bottom line of any investment is that if ever one would like to have his own solar energy technology, I mean installation of solar panel, they will always be talking about the cost. A lot of people, I think, believe that, we have the electric cooperative. Why should I go into the solar energy? Now, the question I'd like to ask is that, will it be in the long run be advantageous to someone who has decided what are the benefits, cost-benefit analysis in that?
Again, definitely the answer is yes, yes, yes. And I'll tell you why. Last week, nag-attend ako kang Power Trend sponsored by Germany. Germany Solar Technology. And they made a study dito sa Pilipinas, and these are the things that we've talked about during the seminar. Sinabi nila na ang study daan ninda ngunyan, because of the cost of electricity here in the Philippines, which is halangkaw, may grid parity na da kita. Now, anong ibig sabihin kang grid parity? Grid parity simply means na ang cost kang utility, pareho na kang cost kang solar energy. Bakong araw kang ibang countries wherein solar energy is more expensive than the utility company. Kaya nangangaipon sindaning help subsidy from the government. And that's what's happening to most of the countries, including United States. Kaya may mga rebates sinda, may mga incentives sinda, just to bring the cost of the solar energy down. Pero digdi sa Pilipinas, dahil mahalo ng kuryente ta, may grid parity na da kita. Kaya miski dahil kita tabangan kang government ta, it's better. Pareho na ang cost kang solar energy, saka yan as electricity kang naghali sa cooperative ta. So, dakulang bagay na mariyan. You keep paying the utility company for the rest of your life, while with the solar, for 3 to 5 years, mababayaran mo niyo, maka nang babayaran on the 6 and after many years. And the life of the solar is 35 years. 30 to 35 years na mayo libre ang kuryente mo. Now, of course, kagulpian sa to, may misconception na ang solar energy on solar panels are very expensive. Well, it's probably true sa initial stage kang kuyan. Tas syempre, it involves solar panels and all the accessories. Syempre, it involves a little bit of a bigger investment on the part. But just imagine it this way, for the same amount of money na ginagastos mo sa utility company, in this particular case, Casureco, kung invest mo yan digdi sa solar, it will only take 3 to 5 years, bayad na, nabalik na gabos na investment mo, samantalang duman sa ibong, sige, pambayad mo.
Okay. So, how would you advise now? Let's say ako, gusto kong mag-install ng solar energy source ko dyan sa Kuyang Harong. Right now, I'm paying, let's say, the electric cooperative 5,000, assuming 5,000 a month. Then, paano ko maiko-compare na later makakasabi ako, from after so many years, I will not anymore be paying 5,000, but I will now save a lot because iwan ako ng solar panel. Now, how can they now make some computation for them to arrive at a decision? No, sabi sindang, okay na yan, maski mag-invest ako initially medyo daradakula because in the long run, I will be the winner.
Be better off.
Yeah.
Right. Well, let me say this. Based sa sinabi mo, kung ang electricity bill mo is 5,000 a month, if you equate that into a year, that's 60,000 a year. Na binabayaran mo, that money is down the drain. Manambarali ka niyan. And if you figure out for, say, 4 or 5 years, sa 5 years, 60,000 equates to 300,000 pesos in 5 years.
Okay.
Now, with that amount of money, if you invest the same budget na ginigibo mo every year, if you invest 300,000 sa solar energy, okay, sa solar energy, you can recover the 300,000, like we said, in 5 years. It's the same amount of money na pigbabayad mo na sa utility company, you can get that money back in 5 years. So it's true na ma-spend ka ning daradakula 300,000, pero in 5 years man mababalik na sa iyo ang kwarta mo. Now, where can you get, and the rest after that, home free ka na, libre na. So let's put it this way, let's put some numbers. 300,000 ang in-invest mo. 5 years, nakabalik na sa iyo every penny of that. On the 6th year, libre na. Ibig sabihin, nagbabayad ka ng 60,000 every year. On the 6th year, nakasave ka na ng 60,000. Let me ask you this, where can you get an investment that will give you a return, an investment of 300,000 na matausay mo ng return na 60,000 a year? Think about it. Gura ano ang 300,000 na ilalag mo sa bangko, miski pa ilag mo yan ng time deposit. Paano gura mo pa mo year 2% or maybe 3% is the most. Ini 60,000 ang nasa-save mo every year for an investment of 300,000. So, you tell me.
Yeah. And siguro another thing yan is that you now have an assured power supply. Dahil ka na magsabi, nag-brown out na naman niya, may big blame ka naman because siya mo na ang control kang power, ano?
And if you happen to deal with us, with our company, pag may mga problema ka mo, may mga maintenance problem, you can always stop by the office or call the office, and I can promise, or we can promise that the following day or within couple of days, yao na kami dumasendo tapos siservisyo ni kamo personally. Unlike if you decided to get it abroad or someplace else, mahirap na magtarang.
Okay. Now, Hill, we're talking here about household. What about if, let's say, there's a building, dakulang building, gusto man ninda magkaigwan ng source na solar, is it also possible?
Yes. Again, the answer is yes. With the high technology that we have right now for the solar energy, kung nasusuplayan nga ni ang sarong community with PV plant, now I repeat, PV plant, photovoltaic plant, which means solar panel, solar energy plant. Kung nasusuplayan nga ni ang sarong community, how much more ang sarong building, o industrial or commercial, which probably is gonna take mga 1 megawatt lang yan or 2 megawatts. PV plant these days can support up to 10 megawatts, 10 million watts.
Okay. So, with that, pwede pala ang mga electric cooperative, let's say Kasurekong, mag-invest dyan sa solar energy, tanganing si requirements nila, masupplyan, and then may pabakal sa tao ning hababa. Because I understand yung solar energy, mayong bat free yan. So, is that possible?
Of course, it's possible. It's done all over the world. In fact, sa United States, ang mga utility company are looking into investments na related sa solar energy. And again, with us, renewable energy developer, considers renewable energy developer in solar, Congress also is trying to give us some kind of a help or assistance from the government. And one of those are tax-free kami, may 7 years income tax holiday kami, VAT-free kami, VAT-free kami. In other words, let me go back to that later. VAT-free kami, and then tariff or duties, importation free kami. Kaya gabos na ini-import me na related sa renewable energy, us for being a manufacturer, because I'd like to mention it again that we are accredited by the Department of Energy and Board of Investments. With that accreditations and registrations and certifications of these two governments, that entitled us for tax-free, VAT-free, which means kung kamu magbakal sa muya, it's VAT-free, zero VAT-free, or zero VAT added free.
Value-added tax.
Value-added tax. In other words, value-added tax.
Zero rated.
Okay.
Zero rated kami. Bakong non-VAT, zero rated kami. Which means na kung magbakal kamo sa Raon o sa Manila, mabayad kamo 12%.
So, it means that when you supply the electric cooperative they will not have to pay VAT because it's VAT free because it's coming from renewable energy.
That's correct.
So, if let's say pala, gulping mga renewable energy, not only from you, solar, let's say, may babakalan ang electric cooperative coming from solar, coming from hydro, biomass, wind. If only they will be able to supply the electric cooperative, the cost of electricity will really have to go down.
Will go
a lot.
down, and perhaps, hopefully, medyo mahinaan ang brownout. Because, let's face it, siguro nahihirapan man ang utility company mag-supply kang energy na needed kang sa tuyang community. Kaya pero yung brownout, they're trying to save energy.
Yeah.
So with the solar energy complementing what they already have, nakulang tabang yan.
Yeah. Well, I think in fairness to the electric cooperative, I know for the fact that it was designed in such a way that it will only be supplying a few numbers of, but no, talagang dumami ng household. So they are really having also some problems of supplying kasi talagang kang dinesign yan, bit lang si Harong. Ay ngunyan, gulpi ng Harong.
Tama.
They need now also to buy from other source. So, kaya tingin ko dakulang bagay yan na igwaning solar energy. Okay, we will again pause for a while. When we return, we will be talking now as to how one can possibly get or let's say buy some of your products. So don't go away. We'll be back.